Hello guys, in this part of the 2012 R2 classes I want to show you what I would do with a new virtual machine, especially with a server. I go here to view and enter the full screen mode. So here I go to the server manager to local server. I would change the name to something better like corp server 1 or only corp server. Click OK. Okay, then we have to restart this machine. I would allow remote desktop, and I would allow every connections from every security level of remote desktop. Then I go here through and say Windows Firewall I would turn off, especially for a lab or demo environment for testing. Turn everything off. Then this server gets his IP address over DHCP. This is correct. Updates we will make later. If you want to, you can send error message reports to Redmond or use the custom experience improvement program. What's more important is the EA enhanced security configuration. If you start the Internet Explorer and say here OK, and for example you want to download something or whatever, you will see that it is not allowed and you get several security warnings on a server operating system by default only by browsing the web. So I go to enhanced EA enhanced security configuration and I turn this thing for administrators and users off. So then we are done here. Then let's go to the right click start button and go to the control panel and see system and security. First I go to the action center and turn on smart screen. Smart screen enables you Microsoft checks every .exe file that you download through Internet Explorer and also other browsers if this is known as malware. Then if you want to, you can choose user account control off for testing purposes. Then here, I think here we are done. Then go again to the control panel and let's see, firewall is turned off. Then networking, hardware, then I go to display and select medium here of the DPI sizes if that is not already chosen. Then I go to folder options and say show all folders and automatically expand to current folder. Then on view I enable show all files, display the full path in the title bar, and don't hide something for me. I want to see everything here. Everything that is a wizard here, I would personally disable it. So then we go to language. This should be my or your language. We will use English here in this course. And I go to date and time and check if the time zone is the right one. And I also check if the time synchronization works with my server. You don't have to change this. This is only a server here in Austria. So then we will go to the update process after a first reboot, because we changed the computer name. So we reboot this thing here. If you use a server operating system, you will recognize very quickly that you have to enter a reason why you want to reboot a machine. You can turn this off, but I want to show you this because you will see this in production environments. So now we have rebooted this thing and we enter update. And we will check for updates here. Before we check for updates, we go to change settings. We say not checking for updates in our lab environment, and download recommended updates and from Microsoft Update, so that you do not get only updates for Windows. If you check this checkbox here, you will also get updates for Office and other Microsoft products. So now we let this thing search here, and in the meantime I show you that now you can go to any web page without any security warnings. These security warnings are only relevant for the Internet Explorer. If you use Chrome, Firefox or whatever, there are no security warnings. But you have to disable that before you can download files of any file type. So you need to disable this before downloading most of any other program. If we go to the server manager, now we see that here Windows Firewall is turned off, and here we have the corp server. Now we should be able to ping our Hyper-V server from here, and it should also be possible to ping the corp server here. Well done. So here I want to end this video now. Install every update until you have more updates. Bye and see you soon in the next video.